Chest plate's actually pretty cool. The definition that it has and everything looks good. Kids say it's not as comfortable as it probably could be. It's kind of flat in the back, but here's where you put the batteries. So, but it's pretty cool when they press this. Shazam! You have a couple different sound effects and lightning. So, so you get 3 or 4 different sound effects. The speaker's kind of here, so it kind of comes out there. Overall, pretty neat. It's been pretty sturdy. They play with it quite a bit now. Just the only thing to say, it needs to be just, you know, a little bit more comfortable. I think this area is kind of where it got more comfortable, where it was kind of, you know, close to their shoulders and their chest, like their collarbone. So, but other than that, they've enjoyed playing with it. So, recommend it. Thanks.